My name is Tanya Igic and I'm Chief Executive and co-founder of Choose to Reuse. We provide full recycling service to charitable organisations in South and West Wales, and also we got our cash for clothes points where public can sell to us their recycling. The business has grown quite rapidly. In less than 2 years we recycle 66 tonnes a month, so if you multiply that with 12, it's quite a significant number. It seems that we overgrown this 5,500 square feet where we are now, and we managed to create in less than 2 years 10 jobs. We've got people with learning difficulties, we've got people from minority backgrounds or those with disadvantage in the community. Our plans are quite large and we hope that they will come alive. We're looking at having our own premises that we can engage students in recycling at the same time because of this big commercial operation, so we've got quite a lot in plan.
My name's Trevor Pugh. I'm founder and director of Recyclo Community Wood Recycling. We collect waste wood, mostly from construction sites around South East Wales. It's 100% reused or recycled. We resell the good quality stuff back to the public. We make a lot of objects from the rest of it, and the majority gets chipped up for either energy recovery or chipboard. We've been going for 10 years. We employ 9 people now. And in 2017 we collected 870 tonnes of waste wood, which has all been saved from landfill. Everything we do is funded by the fees that we charge for collection and the sales. Over the years we've worked with a lot of disadvantaged people. Some of them wouldn't speak a word at the start off, and then they're getting involved and they're part of this whole team, which is everybody, the staff, the volunteers and you know, the placements as we call them. It's a good atmosphere.
I'm Andrea Wayman. I'm the Chief Executive of Elite, our supported employment agency, and also Elite Paper Solutions. Elite Paper Solutions offers a paper collection service to the public and lots of businesses in the area, and we provide paper destruction for confidential waste, and we recycle that. The main purpose we set our business up was to create local jobs for people with disabilities or disadvantage. And the one thing that we've seen through the growth of our business is that it's enabled us to create sustainable employment for people. We're working with lots of businesses in the area. We're saving them lots of costs that they were previously paying out, and the social impact that it's having on the people that work at EPS is quite significant. People's quality of life has improved, as well as their finances. The future's looking really exciting for our business. In the past 12 months we've doubled our income, and most recently we've got involved with the stationers that provides recycled paper, and that paper can be recycled 9 times, stopping it going into landfill, and at the end of the 9th life that paper can then be utilised for byproducts, and so it's a really good scheme for us to get involved with.